Every few years, the hunting industry announces a revolution. A new cartridge appears with bold claims: flatter trajectory, higher velocity, better long-range performance. Marketing campaigns push the idea that older cartridges are outdated, that modern hunters need modern rounds. But then, hunting season begins, and something interesting happens. Across forests, mountains, and open plains, the same classic cartridges keep showing up. Rifles that have been trusted for decades, sometimes even generations, continue doing the exact same thing they've always done: dropping animals cleanly, delivering reliable penetration, proving that real-world hunting success doesn't always depend on the newest technology. In fact, some of these classic calibers still perform so well that they quietly humiliate newer rounds that were supposed to replace them. Not because the new cartridges are bad, but because the old ones were already extremely good. Today we're looking at 6 classic hunting calibers that still outperform expectations and continue embarrassing newer designs in real hunting conditions. If you enjoy realistic firearm discussions and practical hunting insights, make sure you're subscribed to Guns Genius. This is where we focus on what actually works in the field. Let's take a closer look at the cartridges that refuse to fade away. 30-06 Springfield, the benchmark that refuses to fade. The 30-06 Springfield may be the most proven hunting cartridge ever created. Introduced in 1906, it has harvested virtually every type of big game animal on the planet. And despite being over a century old, it remains one of the most capable all-around cartridges available. Typical loads fire 150 to 180 grain bullets between 2,700 and 2,900 feet per second. That performance places the cartridge squarely in the sweet spot for big game hunting. It delivers enough energy for large animals while maintaining manageable recoil. But the real strength of the .30-06 is versatility. Hunters can use lighter bullets for deer-sized animals or heavier bullets for elk and moose. That flexibility allows a single rifle to cover an enormous range of hunting scenarios. Even today, many hunters find that newer cartridges offer only small improvements over the balanced performance the .30-06 has delivered for more than a century. .270 Winchester. The flat shooting legend. The .270 Winchester has built a reputation as one of the most effective deer and elk cartridges ever developed. Introduced in 1925, it quickly gained popularity among hunters who needed a flat shooting rifle for open terrain. A typical .270 load fires a 130 grain bullet around 3,050 feet per second, producing an extremely flat trajectory. For decades, this performance made the cartridge ideal for mule deer and pronghorn hunters operating across wide landscapes. But the .270 is far more capable than many people realize. When loaded with 150 grain bullets, it delivers excellent penetration on larger animals like elk. Modern bullet technology has made the cartridge even more effective. Bonded and monolithic bullets provide controlled expansion while maintaining deep penetration. As a result, the .270 Winchester remains one of the most efficient hunting cartridges ever developed. And despite the arrival of numerous modern designs, it continues to outperform expectations year after year. 308 Winchester, the efficiency champion. The 308. Winchester is often described as one of the most efficient cartridges ever created. Introduced in 1952, it quickly became popular among hunters, military shooters, and law enforcement. Typical hunting loads fire 165 to 180 grain bullets, around 2,600 to 2,700 feet per second. While those numbers may not seem dramatic compared to modern magnum cartridges, the .308 delivers excellent performance within realistic hunting distances. Inside 300 yards, it offers strong penetration and reliable energy transfer. Another major advantage of the cartridge is recoil. Compared to magnum rounds, the .308 produces noticeably less recoil, allowing hunters to practice more comfortably and maintain better accuracy. And when hunters shoot more accurately, animals tend to drop faster. That balance between power and shootability is one of the reasons the .308 continues to outperform many newer cartridges in real hunting situations. .243 Winchester. Precision. That surprises people. At first glance, the .243 Winchester might seem like an unusual entry on this list. Many hunters associate it primarily with youth rifles or varmint hunting, but the cartridge has a long history of delivering excellent performance on deer-sized game. Typical loads fire 95 to 100 grain bullets around 2,950 to 3,000 feet per second. This high velocity produces an extremely flat trajectory while maintaining manageable recoil. For hunters pursuing white-tailed deer, mule deer, or antelope, the cartridge offers outstanding precision. And when paired with modern controlled expansion bullets, it can deliver surprisingly deep penetration. The .243 proves an important lesson in hunting. Shot placement often matters more than raw caliber size, and when a precise shot reaches the vital organs, even moderate cartridges can produce dramatic results. 45, some 70, government, old power, that still dominates. The 45 to 70 government may be one of the oldest cartridges still widely used today. Introduced in 1873, it was originally designed for military rifles. Yet more than a century later, hunters still rely on it for large game. Modern loads fire 405 to 430 grain bullets, around 1,800 to 2,000 feet per second. While the velocity is relatively low compared to modern cartridges, the sheer mass of the bullet produces enormous momentum. When a heavy .45 caliber bullet strikes a large animal, the impact can be overwhelming. The cartridge excels in dense forests and brush environments, where shots are often taken inside 150 yards. In these conditions, the .45-70 delivers devastating terminal performance on animals such as elk, moose, and large bear. Few cartridges demonstrate more clearly that bullet weight can be just as important as velocity. 7mm Remington Magnum, long-range authority. Although it may not be as old as some cartridges on this list, the 7mm Remington Magnum has already earned its place among classic hunting rounds. Introduced in 1962, the cartridge quickly became famous for its long-range performance. Typical loads fire 140 to 160 grain bullets around 3,000 feet per second. These high velocities combined with aerodynamic bullet designs produce extremely flat trajectories and strong energy retention. For hunters operating in mountainous terrain or open landscapes, the 7mm Rem Mag provides excellent reach and penetration. Despite the arrival of numerous modern long-range cartridges, the 7mm Rem Mag continues to perform exceptionally well. Its balanced combination of velocity, penetration, and manageable recoil keeps it competitive even in 2026. Why these classic calibers still win? The success of these cartridges comes down to several key factors. They balance velocity, bullet weight, and penetration in ways that work extremely well for real hunting conditions. They also produce recoil levels that allow hunters to practice regularly and develop confidence behind the rifle. And perhaps most importantly, their performance has been proven through decades of real-world experience. Hunters know